So if you're getting a new circuit, and this is anything that comes straight from your consumer unit, this isn't a minor work certificate where I'm altering a circuit that's already there. So adding a spur on a socket or a new light, or coming off a circuit that's already installed. This is a new circuit that comes from your consumer unit. So if you're getting a new circuit, that means you need an installation certificate, an electrical installation certificate, sorry. So, and this is notifiable work. So this certificate goes off to the council, and in return they send a form back, or a certificate back saying this has been notified correctly. And this is the certificate that a solicitor will ask for if any electrical work is being done. Generally speaking, they'll want to see a minor work certificate, but it's not the same. It's not notifiable. And so what that also means is, if you're not registered with NAPIT or any other body that like this, then you can't register this with building control. So that means that the electrician you're using is registered. It means that they're up to date with all the regulations and all of those things. So that's another thing about it. If you can't notify electrical work and it's a new circuit, then you shouldn't be doing the work. Okay, so that's the difference between a minor work certificate and an electrical installation certificate. It is an official document that is sent off to building control. There's a little bit more testing involved, but it's more involved, and again, you check all the earthing, all the bonding, and making sure everything's safe, and more importantly, that the circuit you've had installed is safe. Okay, that's the most important thing. That's my job, to make sure it's safe. Again, any questions, just let me know.